Alright, hello YouTube, how's everybody been? Hey, got a little project here we're going to do today. This is a 2001 Harley fatboy. It's been customized a little bit. And what we're going to do is, there's other videos out on YouTube about this changing ignition switch. I'm going to change one, I got one, and the only reason why this one's totally functional, with the exception of the keys missing. So it's a friend of mine's, and I've been doing a little work to it. The headlight wasn't working, the brake light wasn't working, and it wasn't just the bulbs, it was all wiring and switches and whatnot. But anyway, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to change this out with this switch here. And you can see it's same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. See, there's the main key thing that's missing is the key. The key's up underneath here. So through the magic of preparing for this, I'm going to go ahead and get into this. So first thing I'm going to do is just take the seat off. Get down to the battery. Y'all can do what you want. I usually put the nut and bolt back on. I didn't figure you guys need to see that. So let's get down in here. If y'all can see that very well, my tripod's not really tall enough here for this, but we're gonna make it work. So, and of course, I don't think all you guys really need to see real closely on this here. All I'm going to do is disconnect the positive side of the battery terminal. Just so I don't short anything out. Maybe I am. There we go. And what I like to do is I like to tuck it up. There's a strap here on this one here. This 01, well, I think I already said this 01 fatboy. So now you can see you don't have no lights, nothing there, anything going on. And then you're going to pop the dash off here, loosen this acorn nut here. I don't know if y'all can really see that or not. Let me try to move you around here a little bit. See if we can get in here. There we go. Anyway, you're going to take this dash, acorn nut, and bolt off. As you can see, there is no lights or nothing coming on. And I'm not going to bore you with all the gory details here with what's what. You got your B plus. This is your headlights. ignition. They're labeled on it. I don't know if it's labeled on the new one or not. But anyway, it's pretty cut and dry. As you can see, this here indent will go downward. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pull these off, and then I'll show how you take the ignition switch out, and then we'll install the new one. Like I said, I'm not going to show everything here. I'm just going to, you'll see me pulling it off, put new one on, then you'll see it together. Here's a handy dandy little gizmo to have too, so you don't drop nothing down in. And this is just a simple little jumper. As you can see, runs right back up here. Alrighty. Now we're going to set the new one back on here. Run the jumper down through there. Let's see what we got here. Do we got lights? We got headlights. We don't have a horn. We got high beams. I don't know what the deal is with the horn all of a sudden, but it wasn't half working. We got it. Alright, let's see here. Now we should be able to lock this ignition. Locked. Unlocked. Let's see if she'll fire off. That might have been while we had the horn. Yep. Not quite sure why it does that. It still did. But anyway, all you got to do is put the seat and the dash back on and it should be good to go. That's a pretty simple job. So, sorry the video probably wasn't the best quality, but my big hands and all that. But like I said, basically ain't much to it. So, anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.